Hello. I've got an unboxing slash basic review for you here. I can't test every single thing, but I can give you a good overview of it. Oops, there we go. Rechargeable waterproof lamp. It's from a company called Audew, A-U-D-E-W. It is the Audew LED camping lantern, rechargeable flashlight lantern, multi-function flashlight for vehicle repair, SOS emergency, camping, hiking, waterproof, portable magnetic power bank 520. Yeah, that's a lot. That's what it is on Amazon. $29.99, prime shipping. Numerous modes here, which we'll go over here. IP68 waterproof level, which is, pretty much, submersible. This does say you can actually dive with this, which is interesting. Waterproof lamp. It can be used for diving. Waterproof level IPX8. 3-grade dimmable power bank, has a built-in, I think it's 5200 mAh battery in it. Yes, 5200 mAh lithium battery. And, okay, let's open it up here. Maybe. Alright, the little tab we have going there. There it is there. Nope, here is the basic user guide, of course, for you there. Again, this is a power bank as well, so you can use it in an emergency. Power light, the different modes there. They give you a micro USB cable for charging the battery itself inside, and you can reverse it around to charge your phone if you need to. My phone, of course, is an S9. So it's C, USB-C, it doesn't quite work. But here's a little wrist strap there for you, waterproof LED light. But here's the light here. It does have the modes here: flashlight, warning lighting, emergency lighting, portable power source, magnets on it, IP68 waterproof, light wave repellent mosquito, which is kind of neat actually. It has a yellow mode that can repel mosquitoes. On the end here is the little clip or hole, whatever you want to call it, for the wrist strap or whatever you want to put, and it's the power button as well. The other side is where the light is, where the main flashlight is anyway, and then this whole piece here is the other light. Now these are rubber little bumpers on here on each end, and then there are magnets as well, which are supposedly pretty strong. I don't know. Then there's little waterproof and stuff like that on it. How do I... There's some way to do this. I don't remember. Oh, there it is. You take this off here, and inside is the micro USB and standard USB connectors for you. Now, I don't see a... Oh, it's rubber. There's a rubber gasket inside here. I was going to say I didn't see a rubber seal around this, but this whole piece is actually a rubber gasket, which will keep the water out as long as you keep it, tightly sealed. Which, alright, so there's the flashlight there. And actually, yes, it is very bright. I mean, there's a lot of light here, of course, I'm filming. But this came in yesterday evening, late, and I was playing with it, and it's very, very bright. So there's the one mode, there's two, and there's extra bright mode. And then there's a yellow mode, which is, I like this. This keeps mosquitoes away. That's the idea there, of course. Anyway, supposedly it does work. It's known to, you buy them light bulbs with mosquitoes, but for camping or something like that, you could take this with you, and you got your little mosquito repellent built in. The last mode is the SOS emergency mode, which is kind of like a police light, which is, I don't know how legal that would be. Who knows? I mean, put this on top of your car, and you look like a police car, right? But I don't know how legal it is. I guess it varies by where you live. And then there's off, of course. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 modes in total there. Again, we have magnets on there. It's waterproof. Supposedly you can dive with it again. It has a battery built into it. There is an LED, I believe, in here too. Alright, let's try this again. That is for charging, and it lets you know when it's done. Let me grab this. Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. Yep, that indicates charging, and suppose it will turn green when it's done. I have a thing for flashlights. I always have. And I love multiple use ones, especially this one. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this, just because it's bright and because of all the different modes it has in it. You know, you can attach it to an area, attach it to the ceiling or something like that, or your car, and you have a light on it. I may have to get another one of these, actually. I like it. For the price, I think it's very much well worth it. Very much well. Something like that. You know what I mean. But that's it. It's from Audew, and great little light. Seriously, I like it a lot. It seems very well made. It's sturdy. I love the aluminum on the ends here. I mean, you could even use it, you know, in an emergency. Whack somebody with it if you had to. And rubber gaskets all around the sides here to keep it out. And I'm curious. I mean, I'd be interested to see about diving. I mean, I don't dive, but I guess it's kind of neat. I mean, you don't have to worry about waterproof or nothing like that. You could use it in the rain and whatever. Be great for camping, hiking, all that stuff, of course. You know, especially because of that, the yellow light for mosquitoes. But that's it. Audew LED camping lantern. $21.99 on Amazon. Very, very much worth it so far. I mean, longevity, I can't tell you. But as is, I like it a lot. And I may have to get another one. They make great gifts for campers and stuff like that. But, all right, thanks a lot.